so back to the last question, which is the second exercise. So this is the given function x, y, z, x squared plus 4x z squared plus y e to the power of zy. Okay, so the first question is find fxy. Okay, so this is the formula that we derive, general formula. Okay, so we must differentiate this function with respect to x first. Okay, so del over del x is equal to 3x squared plus 4z squared. This is 0, so plus 0, so it equivalent to 3x squared plus 4z squared for the del over del x. Okay, so we must differentiate this one with respect to del over del y. So del over del y, 3x squared plus 4z squared. Okay, so since there's no y in this function, so we didn't have to differentiate it implicit or explicit. We just give it to the answer is 0 because we didn't have any constant y in this function. So the first question will be 0. So yeah, this is the final answer. So we're back to the second question. Differentiate z of f z y x. Okay, so this is the formula. The first one, we must differentiate this given function with respect to z. Okay, so this doesn't have z inside here, so we move on to the second one, which is 8x z plus y e sec y, differentiate y, differentiate respect to z, which is we get y. So we get del over del z equal to 8xz plus y e to zy, y squared e zy. Okay, so we done this part. The second part in respect to y, so del over del y equal to differentiate this function, but we didn't have any constant y here, so we move on this one. So we get 2y e zy, differentiate up here, we get z. So del over del y equal to 2yz e zy. But for the third one, we want respect to x, but in this function we didn't have any constant x, so the answer will become del over del x will equal to 0. So the final answer for this question, which is f z y x, is equal to 0. So that's all from me, and we finish about this topic, partial derivatives.